Hello guys, this is Paolo, this is Everybody Linux. Welcome to my channel. I will now try to do an SSH to this linuxmint operating system just installed. So I want to do an SSH connection from my Windows 11 Pro operating system. Okay, this is I'm opening the putty to do the SSH connection to this linuxmint operating system, as I said. The Windows client putty will try to connect, but I need the IP address here. So I will put the IP address in this field. I repeat, this one is installed on Windows and this is installed on VirtualBox. And that is installed itself on Windows. So this is my operating system, Linux. I retrieve the IP address with this command, newer command compared to ifconfig. This is always, you have to consider the MP, the one that starts with MP is the network interface, virtual network interface related to VirtualBox. It's up, so it will accept the connection, it's connected with the external network, and this is the IP address I need to take in consideration. So I will enter that IP address here. I can do copy and paste because it's from the console, but I will do this instead. I will type manually. Okay, port is 22 and default is perfect for SSH. Let's do it. Let's see what happened. No, it's refused. Why? I need to do some troubleshooting now. First thing, guys, we need to check with this command if there is the firewall in my Linux operating system that is blocking the connection. Let's see, maybe it's blocking the port 22 or whatever. And let's see, sudo file status. No, it's inactive. So this means, let's clear a bit. This means that we need to find another way to check why it's not accepting SSH connection. There is this command is telling me if the open SSH server it is necessary to get SSH connection, it's installed on this operating system. So if I have the OpenSSH server that is necessary, say it's mandatory to have it to get SSH connection, it will be displayed now when I launch the command. Let's see. No, I don't get any. So that's why the reason, guys, we don't have the SSH connection, SSH server, pardon. So we need to install the OpenSSH server package. So to install this package, first I suggest you that we maybe do the apt-get update of the repository, and then we proceed with downloading. This will update all the metadata of my repository, and it will be better to do that. So before installing any package, because if you have your metadata updated, your cache. So let's now wait that it's completed. I can open another console in the meantime. But let's see when it's gone. I will put on hold. Okay. Reading package list. I hope that the video won't be very long because it's a really easy operation that I'm going to do. Okay, it's done, perfect. So now, guys, we are going to install the proper package, the apt package for OpenSSH. So to do this, sudo apt-get install OpenSSH server. Yes. OpenSSH client, OpenSSH server, okay. Okay, yes. Every time I do operational installation, we put on all the video, guys, otherwise it will be too long. Okay, guys, it seems that we have installed the SSH. So let's try now to see if we have the package installed properly. So I just checked everything that was done. It was done. So here from apt-get install OpenSSH. Okay, so this is all the operational installation. So it's clear. And now we have to check if the package is installed. So let's repeat the command that we launched before. Okay, finger crossed. No, very strange. So it means that we have not installed the, oh, maybe I understand why. This is, yes, we have installed the package. So the package is installed. Okay, guys, so now we can receive the connection. I will keep the firewall disabled, and I will try to connect via PuTTY again. Okay, so this is the moment that we need to see if it's really working. So first thing I will do is to get the IP address in case it was changed. I don't think so, but just in case, but always to check. The IP address is always the same. Perfect. 195. Okay, good. Now we can put this address here. Okay, so let's try. If it doesn't work, we will do some more troubleshooting. Okay. This is what something happened, guys. I bring it here from the other screen. So the host key is not cached for this server 1.0. Okay, so what is saying to us this OpenSSH server? The OpenSSH server from my linuxmint operating system say to this guy that want to connect to this, that is my server, basically from PuTTY, say, hey, you, this host key is not cached for this server. Okay, so we must make sure that actually it's PuTTY that is telling to my linuxmint operating system that this address is not found yet. So we need to add it to my client, and we are exchanging with this server linuxmint 1.92.68.175. We have to exchange this key fingerprint. So we need to get to both sides this value. So basically what's going on now, that myself, the PuTTY administrator, will accept this. It means that I trust this operating system linuxmint. So next time that I will connect to this operating system, it will remember this. And on this side, linuxmint that has exchanged the key, it will always allow the connection. There are ways also to block the connection from the linuxmint if you want. We will see another video. In this moment, I just wanted to tell you the reason why it was not possible to have to do SSH connection, and I hope it was clear now. It's clear now why, because there was no OpenSSH server installed. It's very easy, guys. So in this moment we are permanently adding this IP address into my PuTTY cache. So next time it won't ask again. It will be able to connect. I think it took a long time now. Maybe I should have accepted soon. Maybe it was too long, and now it doesn't trust anymore. Let's see. Nothing yet. Okay, in this case I do this. I simply click here on PuTTY window. I duplicate the session, and here we go, guys. It was basically because I wait too long before accepting, that's why. So now I can log, but I need to log with what? With this Mint, of course. This is my user, so I need to use this one. Okay, so always, because of course we need to log with the real user that is existing on this system. So I'm logging with the Mint. The user is the same on the shell command line that we found there. So now I will put the password Mint, and we'll go, guys. We are connected. So basically, remember always to check first if you have installed the OpenSSH server. Then if you have the firewall that is hampering the connection or some other reason that, anyway, with a bit of investigation, you will be able to find. the reason. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see in the next video.